Hey guys, welcome everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about OPNet airdrop. First of all, we need to know what is OPNet. Building smart contracts on Bitcoin layer 1 for DeFi tokens, AI and more. There is no OPNet token. OPNet only uses native BTC. So what do you need to do to get the airdrop, or how can you collect some points? So let me show you step by step. First of all, you need to connect your wallet here, but before that you need to download the wallet from the Chrome web store, and I will provide each and every link from download to the dex, each and everything in my Telegram channel. So just don't forget to join the channel. I will provide the link in the description below. And after creating the wallet, when you will create the wallet, just come to the settings tab, and just the settings button, and just click on it. Then come to the address type, then select the taproot option. So after selecting that, you are setting up your wallet to the taproot address, and then just connect your wallet to the site, connect your wallet and also Twitter, and then you will get some tasks to do here. And this is huge points you will get when you will add these emojis to your Twitter handle. And how can you connect your Discord server also to the site? So just come to the server. I will provide the link in the Telegram also. And then after joining their server, just come to this category link wallet, then go to this channel. You can read the guide, and then come to this channel, and just type slash connect public key. Sorry, let me show you once again. Just type this CO in any city, and you can see this will pop up. Just click on it, and just copy the public key from your wallet here. This is the public key, you can see. Just copy it and paste it here and hit the enter button, and your Discord will be connected to the site. Okay, then just click on the verify completion, and maybe after some time you will get the point. As you can see, I have 12,500 points and all tasks are done. And then you can see when you will scroll on chain tasks, for which task you will get how many points also revealed. And you can see a tracking bar here. And then there are some social tasks also available. You just need to retweet, comment and quote, and in return you will get some points. And in every 2 hours the points will be updated. So that is the actually refreshing time of points. And then there are two dApps you must need to use. One is Motoswap, and one is for deploying contracts. Like you can you can deploy tokens in OP20. You can see taxable token and the normal token. You can create your own. Okay, and then you can see this is the Motoswap website, where you can trade, means the swapping available. And pool also, you can add your liquidity. Then staking option also available. So let me show you one by one what you need to do. First of all, you need to collect some faucet. So let me show you. This is the site of faucet. When you will come to this site, I think in every 24 hours you will get you will get faucet one time. And you need to claim each faucet, like OP20 token, the fill faucet and the TBTC also, because without TBTC means you can't do any transactions. This is the gas fee token. So let me collect this for today, and this is done, I think. So after some time I will get the fill token in my wallet. So it will take some time. And after collecting all those faucet, just come to this site. Let me show you now. Home button, okay, not working. Let me open it again. The Motoswap website, where you can do trade pool, as you can see here. Let me show you how can you do that. Just select two tokens, just swapping, simple swapping, and put the amount, how much you want to swap to one token to another token. I have many, I think 851 point something, and that's why I'm giving 12 here. And it will be swapped to Moto. One pop-up will come to your wallet, and you just need to sign it. That's it guys, for the trade. And then pool, when you will trade, when you will use the swap feature, try to use every time some different amount. Okay, don't use the same amount each time, every time actually. So maybe that will be a civil criteria if you are doing a single the fixed amount every time. Okay, like 0.001 or 0.0001, don't do that. Just change your amount each time. And then when you will come to the pool option, and then click on the add liquidity, or you can also create the pool. Just let me show you. I have this two token, and I'm giving just one. Okay, so add liquidity, click on it, one pop-up will come after confirming. Here you can see sign, and this will be added. Okay, added liquidity, and come to this tab, the stake. And if you have the balance in moto, just you can stake it 0.2. I have one, that's why I am giving 0.2. If you have less, so you can give less. Otherwise, if you have more than me, so you can go for the high value. And then after doing that, you can claim it anytime and unstake also. Claim means the reward. Actually, when you are staking, you will get some yield, so that's why the claim option. And explore, where you can see many tokens here. And one more site where you can deploy those tokens. You can see OP token generator, OP20 token generator, and taxable OP20 token generator. Let me show you one. The Here you have to put the token name, anything you can give here. And this is the token name, token symbol. Let me show you, spy 1754. Okay, you can't hit number, I think, here. So just I am typing some in later. And then maximum supply you can give, just let me show you randomly. And then token decimals, hit. Okay, enter 18. And then you can see. Okay, let me put some value here also. Okay, so after doing those, you will get, here is, I think, some problem occurs. mm, hmm. Okay, so token name, token symbol, and just deploy token, hit the button, and you will get some pop-up in your wallet. And just hit the sign in button, and there is some problem going on, that's why it's showing like that. But you can try it later. So this is the things. And let me show you one more thing. And when you will come to this tab, the farm tab, the last, just click on it. And here you can stake your BTC, even your moto token. Like, let me show you. View the menu, just come to this menu tab, and select the disk. You can select any disk. If you have BTC, you can stake your BTC. If you have moto, you can stake your moto. And if you have the liquidity pool token, like if you already add your liquidity to fill moto, so then you can stake those fill moto liquidity pool to moto. This is a very interesting feature. And so let me show you with the moto token. I have already moto token, unstake, stake. So balance you can see, add, harvest, there is more option available. If you want to harvest, just click on it, and you will get a pop-up in your wallet. Just confirm it, and just done. Sorry, one second, let me add just 0.2. I think I can give that. Stake now, yes. Just sign. Okay, final. So guys, this is done. So that's it. So these three, actually these two dApps you can use. And you can see your leaderboard and your points here on this side. So I will provide each and every link, as I already said, in the Telegram channel. You can get each and every link. Okay, so that's it, and complete those tasks. And after 2 days and 15 hours, it will be reset actually, the points maybe. So after that, we will get some new update. And obviously I will give each and every minor update in the Telegram channel first. So that's why you must need to join the channel. I will provide the link in the description below. So that's for the video. Bye bye, see you in the next video, guys.